forward.
Cheesesteaks? Ketchup guys?
I think ketchup.
Just fried it.
Thank you. You had onion, right? Yeah.
Sightseeing tour!
Do you have onions?
What's that?
Do you have onions?
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat this much. I don't know yet.
Looks good. So